Imagine making marketing decisions without guessing. Imagine having a team thinking about your marketing strategy 24 hours a day.
Our company is guided by two powerful forces, human intelligence and artificial intelligence. Our advanced AI server was created to guide major decisions and perform deep market analysis for our clients, especially in the healthcare sector. Within this system, we maintain a robust data infrastructure and an extensive knowledge library, continuously learning and evolving. This allows us to maintain full strategic control and clarity over every step of digital marketing execution. Combined with over 20 years of experience in digital marketing, our human expertise transforms AI insights into precise, responsible, and effective actions. Fikaweb is built for the future, to serve and position healthcare organizations for long-term success.